Alright, so here's what's up. I want to do this on my computer because it's way easier and way faster. It would take me 5 ever to do it on my phone. So this is just a much better method for me, so I don't have to waste 15 hours doing this. But it's nice. I figured out how to do audio on my computer and do screen recording. So this works out great. It would have been pretty much the same either way. But you just get a private YouTube video. So I probably won't talk the whole time, but it might click things on so you can see where I'm clicking and stuff. And you can just watch this and see what's up. And I'll explain, kind of what I'm doing if I think it's something that's kind of weird. But I'll also give you like commentary on your photos, on what I think's good, what I think maybe isn't so good. So let's do this. Oops, I don't want to do that. Okay, first, let's make this way. Lightroom's being super slow. Let's go ahead and turn Wi-Fi off. Okay, cool. Now it's not trying to update all the photos as I edit them, which is great. All right, so let's first go through and kind of just look at these. I like this one. There's a chandelier in the top. That's kind of weird. Do like homeless people live here or something? This one's good. Yeah, like he's saying, there's a little bit of blown out region here, so we can fix that. That's super gangster. All right, this is super tilted, but good. A little dark, but good. That's good. That's good. All right, this one's interesting because his legs are super open. I am personally, it doesn't bother me too much. I wish you were at a slight angle, like maybe looking at him from just right over here instead of being straight on, because my eye is just drawn right to the center of his crotch. Um, so that's just kind of what I think. Also, I mean, this isn't a hard fast rule, but generally, most of the time when you're shooting with people, you want their feet to be touching the ground. Um, so, I mean, obviously, just play with that. You can do a little bit of both, but I've kind of always held to that rule because it kind of grounds them. I like this one. I like this one a lot more. This is a lot better. That's good. His foot's cut off. This is interesting. She definitely looks like she's gonna murder someone. That booty, though, his head is cut off just a little bit. Right there. So just look out for that. Generally, when you're framing, try to frame a little bit loose because, like, particularly for Instagram. So when you crop this for Instagram, it has to be in this aspect ratio. So you're going to end up cropping it like that, and it's going to look a little wonky. So try to shoot a little bit wider, and then that gives you room to crop it later. So either zoom out or scoot back, one of the two. That's good. What are your settings here? Okay, cool. I like that. That's nice. Um, let's see. Toolbar. Toolbar. Oh, I want to see your actual ratings. There we go. Okay, so this one's personal. Good. I like that. That's good. So let's go ahead and Let's go ahead and go back through this real quick and do this. I'm just going to mark the ones red that are for Eddie so I can see it when it comes up. Good, 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 good. Let's do this. Oh, that's everything? Okay. All right. Back to where were we? We're on this photo. Cool. I really like that one. That's good. I think that one, come on. There we go. I think that's a really good one. So I think let's do that yellow. Not too big on that one. Like the beads, that seems very African. That's really nice. I like that a lot. Not real keen on this one. It's kind of cool lines. Nice colors. That one's better. She changed dresses. They're wearing almost the same shade of blue. There we go. Straight. Not straight. Not straight. Very couple photo. That one's kind of cool. That's better. I like that more. That's nice. I like that photo. I wish this weren't here, but obviously you can't fix that. That was pretty nice. I like that. That's good. There we go. That's nice. Sounds good. Train tracks. Yeah, so you just need to learn, you put the level on in the camera because that's good. You're tilting the camera a lot. Particularly, it seems like you're tilting the camera when you are vertical. So there's a level in the camera that you can turn on that'll tell you when it's level. And it's really, really helpful actually. That's a very thug photo. I like that one. That's good. I prefer his hood down. He doesn't seem like a thug boy. He seems like, I don't want to say a pretty boy, but like, he cares about his image. And also I'm just not a big fan of the hood. Hello train, please don't die. Shooting on train tracks is actually really illegal. And kind of a weird like 2008 thing. I like this one. That's nice. Just needs to be a little poppier. I like this one. That's good. Good. That's nice. Cut off his foot right there. Watch for that. Other than that, it's good. Ooh, big shift in color. Okay. Oh, we got some girl action. Okay, okay. Interesting. That's kind of cool. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. Hmm. I like it more horizontal, but that's probably that one's better for Instagram probably. I like that a lot. Is this just like a road? Like a regular road? Again, this is tilted and you kind of shifted your angle. It gives this odd perspective. You kept him super centered. I think that's what it is. You need to bring the camera down a little bit. Like his face is here and his face needs to be more like here. So you need to just like shift your angle down a little bit, like your camera angle. For me at least, that's what I would do. And I would obviously straighten it. We'll see here in a second. Good. That's much better. I like that. I like that. Just needs a little crop. Let's see. Let's go back through one more time. Like that one. I like that. I like that. That one's really nice. I'm okay with it. Oops. That one's pretty good. Like that. The red and the yellow go well together. That's good light. What is that? Hmm. I really like that one. Really not keen on this photo at all. Or this one. We can use this one. We'll just crop it a ton. But it's kind of, I mean, it's just like booty. What's up? I do like her shirt though. It's a very nice color. Especially with the yellow. If you had something with her turned around, that red, and granted, I don't know what you see that color as, but that red and that yellow and his shoes with the red and the yellow, it's a nice color palette. I like that one a lot. And I think we're back to, I've already done all these. Cool. So let's sort by yellow. So that gets us down to what? 31 photos? Cool. So let's start editing. Where's my battery at? I'm actually going to stop this real quick and let these previews build, and then I will come right back.